This week at Spotify Camp Nou marks a clear shift, not because of noise or speed, but because today's construction tells a bigger story. What we're seeing now isn't routine progress. Structural elements are moving into place, permanent systems are being installed, and the project is clearly entering a long-term phase that will define the stadium for decades. Today's update isn't just about movement on site, it's about the construction steps that signal a real turning point. This is where the stadium stops being a plan and starts becoming the Camp Nou of the future. Stay tuned for a complete tour of the stadium, where every corner tells the story of its construction. As we move closer to the corner, we clearly see the entire slab ceiling has been chipped. This gives a better view of the work completed here. Yesterday in Farron's thumbnail, the first slat had been installed in this corner. Today we confirm it. This red slat marks the beginning of slat installation in this area after the lateral section. Yesterday, work was done cutting into the wall near the park, both in lower and upper sections. Today, part of that wall has been removed. From another angle, multiple lifting platforms are working inside the stadium. The tower crane is visible, showing continued progress inside the structure. New slats have been installed on the lower bracket area. These 3 slats were not in place yesterday morning, so this shows clear progress. Only a small piece is missing to complete this sector. Work has also started at the south stand corner. In this corner, smaller pieces belong to the compression ring. They resemble miniature pillars, like the ones seen weeks ago, but smaller. These pieces are still stored here, and no new supports or anchors have been added in this area yet. Moving toward the parking ramp, some formwork panels have not yet been removed from the wall. In the background, workers have already started removing them. The rest of the panels are likely to be removed today. At the corner of Gol Norte, work has progressed on the slat supports. Yesterday, was now 3